Hi everyone and welcome back. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, the go-to place for innovative crowdfunded tech products. If you think that you have a product that belongs in our store, let us know. Send us an email, info@wiplabs.com. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Fellow Duo Coffee Steeper. Let's go. So the Fellow Duo Coffee Steeper is similar to a French press. Lid. Oh, it's pretty heavy. Oh, there's the filter. Look at that. That is a very fine filter. Oh, piece. This. Okay. Box empty. There we go. So this is the Duo Coffee Steeper. You can see the size. It's light, it's nice. Stainless steel, has a nice rubberized, or I guess rubber grip here in the center. And then it has the directions inside, so let me get that open. Oh. Okay, one. So here are the directions. It tells you how it works. I've used this before, so I actually know. This very fine filter would go in here like this. Pour the coffee grounds in here, and you let it sit there with the very fine filter, and you pour the hot water on top of that, and you cover it, and you let that steep for about 4 minutes. And then when you're ready, you actually just twist it, and this part of the mechanism actually comes up a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. And by that, it elevates the whole section on the inside and the coffee will drop down. And then that's it, you're ready to pour. And that is the very beautiful and well-engineered Duo Coffee Steeper. I am not a coffee aficionado like other people are, so if I've said something wrong or you guys know more than me, I would love to hear it. Let me know in the comment section below how you would use your Duo Coffee Steeper, or tell me how I can use mine better. Anyway, looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much for watching. Hope to see you soon on Wiplabs.com.